Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water dispenser cover in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water dispenser cover. The water dispenser cover is located on the left side inside of the fresh food compartment. It covers the dispenser opening and has a built-in actuator button. The main reasons why the water dispenser cover should be replaced is if the actuator button breaks or the cover cracks. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. So this is the part we need to remove. This is the water dispenser cover. To remove the old water dispenser cover, we would need to insert the flathead screwdriver into these two slots to press against these locking tabs. So this will start us in the process of removing the whole cover. Alright, so locate the first slot here and insert the flathead screwdriver and press it in and pry it out. And we'll go down to the second slot, do the same thing. And now we can go around. And I think I can do it without the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to slide it down and remove it. This is the old water dispenser cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to bring in a new water dispenser cover. And we're going to press it in. First, we're going to slide this nozzle into this hole here. Lift it up, place it in the cutout, and press it in. Right, and now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.